Good afternoon, students. Please follow all the instruction which is provided by your local health authorities. My humble request to the all parents, we need to your support. Please kindly deposit fees of your ward. Dear students, you are watching class 6 science chapter number 2 components of food part 6. Dear student, in the last video we discussed dietary fibers and water. In this video we will discuss balanced diet. Before starting balanced diet, I will tell you what is the diet. The food that we eat during the whole day is called what? Our diet. Now come to the balanced diet. It is important that the food we consume every day provides us all the required nutrients in proper amount. A diet that contains all the nutrients in a right portion for us to stay healthy and fit is called balanced diet. Dear students, a diet that contains all nutrients that contains adequate amount of all essential nutrients, roughage and water for the proper growth and development of our body, that is called what? Balanced diet. Now understood? The composition of balanced diet varies based on age, physical activity and health of the people. Dear students, the composition of balanced diet depends sex and age of a person, occupation means what type of work done, and special need during pregnancy even then. Dear student, I will show you food pyramid for the healthy and balanced diet. We should take fruits, we should take protein diet, fat, dairy product, vegetables in a very balanced way. So dear students, turn your page. I will show you number of serve. You will need to eat a number of serve each group depending on your age and how active you are. Active and growing children need the following number of serves from each group. Dear student, what is the meaning of number of serves? I will tell you. Suppose example, one serving would be a 20 ml and or half a cup of a dal. So you should ensure that your serving are standardized. Otherwise, your answer will be incorrect if you are just notice your balanced diet. So dear students, here the age are given there. Children's 4 to 7, number of serve, grains 3 to 4, vegetables 4, fruits 2, dairy 3 and the protein half to 1. Number of come to the age of 8 to 11 years, children's number of serve of grains 4 to 6, vegetable 4 to 5, fruits 1 to 2, dairy 3, proteins 1 to 1.5. Now come to the adolescent, age of 12 to 18 years, number of serve of grains 4 to 7, number of serve of vegetables 5 to 9, number of serve of fruits 3 to 4, dairy 3 to 5 and proteins 1 to 2. Now, how big is one serve? First of all, fruits. Dear students, you know very well the nutrients in the fruits are vital for the health and the maintain our body. So it is very essential to take fruits in a balanced diet. A medium piece such as an apple, banana or pear. According to the season, dear students, come to the second. 2 small pieces such as a kiwi fruits, passion fruits and pulp. Now fourth, 4 pieces of dry fruits such as apricot, pears and figs. Now come to the vegetables. Dear students, most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories, but it should be very necessary in our balanced diet. 1 potatoes, half cup of potato are good source of carbohydrate. Half cup means to say 75 gram of cooked vegetables. 1 cup of salad vegetables. Half cup means to say 75 gram of cooked legumes. Dried beans like rajma, peas or lentils. Now come to the protein. Dear students, we know very well that is building block of our body. For the building block of our body, protein is very essential. Our body use protein to build and repair the tissue. You also use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Proteins are also building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skins, and also blood. So dear students, let's come to know the serve. Number of serve: 65 to 100 gram cooked meat or chicken, 80 to 100 gram of fish filters, 2 small eggs, half cup of cooked dal or other pulses, 1/3 cup of nuts such as almonds, cashew, and groundnuts. Now come to the third one, grains. Dietary fibers from whole grains as a part of all our health diet. So it is also be very necessary in the balanced diet. 2 slices of bread, a medium bread roll, a cup of cooked pasta, noodles or rice, 2 chapatis. Now come to the next one, dear student. 1/3 cup of breakfast cereal, half cup muesli. Dear sir, that is a cold oats meal. Dairy, 1 cup of milk, 200 gram of yogurt as curd, 40 gram of cheese. Now dear students, there are plenty number of food items that do not fall clearly into one of these categories, like chips, chocolates, like chips and chocolates. So it best to keep these extra to minimize. We should what? Extra to minimize, as they are usually high in calories, salt, sugar, and fat. Dear students, hope you understood balanced diet. Your homework is you have to read this balanced diet carefully, and you have to also, now you have to do also this activity. I will tell you. Activity number 4, experimental investigation. Dear students, aim to analyze whether your diet is balanced or not. You have to watch and make a report of your balanced diet. List all the food items that you eat in a day. Against each food item, list of food type such as cereals, pulses, fruits, dairy product, vegetables, meat, etc. Write the approximate number of serve for each food. You have to now write the appropriate number of serve. Suppose at 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. Now analyze your diet and check whether it is balanced or not. You are taking balanced diet or not, you have to check it. If it is balanced, explain why you think is it balanced. If you are taking balanced diet, you have to give the answer of this question, why you are called it is balanced. If it is not balanced, explain what change you can make. If your diet is not a balanced diet, you have to make a list of balanced diet for you. Before you start this activity, discuss with the teacher and decide what is a meant 1 to 2 serving. For example, 1 serving would be, I earlier gave this example to you before starting the tables. Serving would be 20 ml and half of a cup of dal. Dear students, ensure your serving is standardized or not. Ensure that your serving are standardized, otherwise your answer will not be accurate. To learn more, you could look up a reference book in the library and find out how much calories you will get consume half a cup of dal, leafy vegetable / rice, or form 2 chapatis. Dear students, now you have to make a list yourself, your meal, your food items, food of type, and serving. And dear student, check this list from that table which is given in your book. You have to check your tables and the table which is given in your book. So you have to give now you will find the answer that your diet is balanced or not. Dear student, one discuss is left, so I covered it. Which is better, eating the fruit or having a fruit juice? Discuss the reason for your answer. Dear students, you have to discuss also and give me the answer that yes, I know your answer would be eating fruit, because we get, by eating fruits we get what? Fiber also. So dear students, now you have to do this activity also. That is your homework. Thank you student. Be safe, stay home.